Okay, just some images of the little nursery that I'm setting up here on the side porch with my ramp. This is how I get in and out of the house, and got a couple little storm windows set up here, but trying to set up some supplemental lighting. And down here that's a little reservoir tank with some PVC Ys, similar to that device I'm building out in the driveway. I don't know if you can see some plants. Those are some kale, some Russian kale got started. Got a few over here started, waiting to go into. Got these little spike-looking gizmos that the plants go into to easily insert them in and out of the PVC Ys. Up here I've got some of those insulated bags for carrying like hot or cold groceries in. I've taped them to top to bottom, and I hang those from a little hook up there to create some reflectivity for these lights. I put it up out of the way so I could get some good pictures of it for the time being. But yeah, this is how I'm starting the plants before I take them outside. Jean was very handy in putting up a couple shelves for me yesterday so I can really get started on different varieties of plants. But yeah, game on. I'm really getting into this stuff and enjoying it very much. Thanks for watching.